Hi, everyone. I've developed ListenMemo, a website designed for highly efficient English dictation practice. Today, I'm going to give you a detailed walkthrough of how to use it. First, head over to listenmemo.com and click on Explore Library. This takes you to our community library. Simply click on the resource you're interested in to enter the Series Details page, select a specific unit, and hit Start to begin your dictation session.
Accurate. Acid. Acid. Acid.
A few moments later.
Once you've finished, click to Detail to enter the review page and analyze your performance. We've built a dedicated error logs page to track every mistake you make across your dictation history. From here, you can click the review button to practice based on frequency, time, or chapter. You can also manually select specific materials for a custom review session. If you head to the number dictation page, you can do targeted drills. You can customize the type of numbers, the quantity, and the difficulty level to sharpen your listening for specific numerical data. On the stats page, you'll find detailed learning analytics and your full history. This section is designed to help you comprehensively analyze your learning patterns and progress. Looking at the home page, the 4 cards at the top reflect your stats for today: word count, accuracy, sentence count, and study duration. Center column features your check-in calendar and a quick review panel. Middle section displays your daily goal progress and an Ebbinghaus review panel for optimized retention. Bottom section shows your most recently studied books. Finally, let's address some of your most frequently asked questions. You don't need an account to experience the website's features. You can dive straight into the community library and start learning immediately. However, your progress won't be saved to the cloud, so I highly recommend registering for long-term use. Absolutely. Most features and community resources are free for all users. Only a small portion of premium resources requires a pro membership. Does this app support multiple languages? Of course. You can just tap the language toggle to quickly switch the interface. Whether you're from Korea, Japan, Vietnam, France, Spain, or anywhere else in the world, you can use the software with ease. That's a quick overview of ListenMemo. I hope you find it helpful. If you have any feedback or suggestions, feel free to leave a comment or send me a private message. Thanks for your support.